Jasmy down around 16.85% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which truly is very critical. The MA50 in a real sense is at present at $7 in an exceptionally large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin most certainly is drifting at $371,885 for on a 27,000. Jasmy in a real sense has its genuinely next opposition at $6, which most certainly is genuinely huge, a 5-walk 2024. In this we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly by and large sort clarification on some things facts. What especially is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin truly is Jasmy an excellent speculation, which explicitly is very critical. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation most certainly allowed us certainly to discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There essentially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $2,380,706.34,932, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The by and large all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $222,460,527.66, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely large manner, which all things considered brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 5.71% in a quite large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span, or so they explicitly thought. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, truly is up by 146, and as of now exchanging at $132.35. By and large further appearance how Jasmy truly has its in every way that really matters, next opposition at $6, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.96% in esteem, most certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time period, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an all things considered, descending bearing for pretty present moment, so 5 walk 2024. In this we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly by and large. Got clarification on some things facts, what basically is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, sort of is Jasmy an excellent interest in a very enormous manner. Right now a general in every way that really matters, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is very huge. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing in opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that Jasmy down roughly 16.85% inside the most recent 24 hours, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases especially become certainly more lovely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, so 5 walk 2024. In this we will in every practical sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these regularly especially clarified pressing issues facts, what fundamentally is truly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, generally is Jasmy a very wise speculation, which all things considered is very critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers truly become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically is genuinely critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution, The very current Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is $20, with an exchanging volume of $371,885,427 in the especially beyond 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. Right now, Jasmy most certainly is somewhere around 1685% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,179,126 as we see, showing how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $222,460,527.66, or so they in a real sense thought. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 05 walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time period basically made sense of underneath, which essentially is genuinely huge. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and outstanding moving certainly normal EMA to basically examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. So market examination over the very last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $2,380,706.3014.32 in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so Jasmy sort of has its truly next opposition at $0.06, or so they explicitly thought. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline in every practical sense. Further appearance how the extremely absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $222,400 to $60,527.66, which certainly is genuinely huge. The fundamentally relative strength file RSI for Jasmy coin basically is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which especially implies Jasmy explicitly is in oversold zone and a pattern certainly inversion explicitly is conceivable, which generally is genuinely critical. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer basically is at 77 to 22 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a non-partisan condition. A exchange pretty sign really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, most certainly further appearance how the sort of complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $222,400 at $65.27.66 in an unpretentious manner. Ends Jasmy coin in a real sense has kind of barely any recuperation risks and could generally keep testing quick obstruction level of $6 before long, exhibiting how right now, a by and large broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. While the in every practical sense, slow bullish development in the general digital currency space can especially keep Jasmy financial backers